Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable media controls for cast devices on itel s15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel s15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to Google. Here in Google, in services on device section, you can see the device and sharing. You'll have to do is tap this. Here in device and sharing, you can see the cast options. You'll have to do is tap the cast options. In cast options, you can see the media control for cast devices. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable the media control for cast devices, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this enable control media from cast devices through a notification, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it, okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled media controls for cast devices on itel s15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.